5 types of grapes that we looked at a minute ago. Okay, so in Pomerol and Saint-Emilion, we use more Merlot than Cabernet Sauvignon. So, and this makes the wines a little bit smoother than Cabernet wines because Merlot is not as tannic as the Cabernet Sauvignon. All right. However, these two districts can bring out the best qualities of the Merlot grape that are unequaled anywhere in the world. Okay? Although less tannic, they are rich and lush wines of perfect balance and character. So in this case, lush means very tasty. Okay, we can say is another meaning for lush. All right. So in Pomerol and Saint-Emilion, we have the Merlot grape, which is less tannic than the Cabernet. Okay, but it's also just as good. Some of the wines are just as good as some of the Cabernet-based wines. Okay. So another part here, we have the Grave is best known for white wine, but also produces red wine. Okay. So the white wine is mostly famous in Graves. So, and we have some more grape varieties here. White wine is made from the Semillon, the Sauvignon Blanc, and the Muscadel grapes. Okay, and they can be found in both sweet and dry styles. Okay, they're crisp and go well with many kinds of food. Okay, so you see a couple of words here that we use when we talk about wines, sweet or dry. And dry in this case means what? Not sweet. And for different wines, we have different kinds or different degrees of sweetness, okay? So when something is not sweet when we're talking about wine, we call it dry, okay? And these kinds of white wines are also crisp, which when we're talking about wine means a little bit of, maybe we can say a little acidic, right? They're crisp. They make your tongue feel kind of alive. So, and they of course go well with many kinds of food that require a crisp and not very heavy wine, okay? So finally, there are the sweet wines of Sauternes, right? Okay, let's see. Let's have a question here first. Rebecca asked, what's in the blend? Well, you know, a blend, right, is a mixture, right? Blend is a mixture, except that you can't separate the things that are put together, mixed together, okay? So that's a blend, all right? So we have all these different kinds of grapes blended together to make the chateau, well, we could say the recipe for each chateau's wines, okay? So they use the same grapes, but maybe they mix them or blend them a little bit different, okay? So, let's see, Yvonne offers spicy as crisp, I think, right? Spicy, yeah, that's good. It's a little bit of acidity in there. Okay, good. So let's take a look at the last part here. Finally, there are the sweet wines of Sauternes. Okay, and Sauternes is made from the same